Hello, wie geht's? So today we're not going to study anything. Today I'm going to answer a question which is, very frequently asked. So the question is, how to do German. Personally, if you'll ask me, I would suggest you that there are two ways by which you can learn this language. Since I live in Delhi, I first did my starting of German from University of Delhi, though I did it with my undergraduation. So that course was around 8 to 9 months, I'd say. And the second option is studying German from Goethe Institute, also known as Max Muller. So in Delhi, Max Muller is in central Delhi, that is, it is nearby Connaught Place. There German classes takes place, and for that there are 6 levels. It's A1, A2, B1, B2, C1 and then C2. So in total we have 6 levels there in Goethe Institute. Obviously, when you clear one level and you go one step up, the difficulty would also, increase. So if you'll ask me whether, you guys should go for DU or Goethe, I would suggest that if you want to, gain the expertise in the language, you should go to Goethe and not to DU. Also, because of the fact DU takes, around 8 to 9 months. Since I was doing it with my undergraduation, I used to attend my college as well, and then after college, I used to go there in some other DU college. So it was a little normal for me because the course was like for 8 to 9 months. But here, if in Goethe you will do, for normal weekdays, the course will be for 3 months. So if you will compare 8 months to 3 months, you can choose better whether you want to study from DU or Goethe. So that's it for today. I hope now I have given the answer of your question. In case you have any other doubts, you can ask me on my Instagram page. The link for that is in the description box below. Till then, cheers!